You know, my name is Abdul Mateen. I am 28 years old. I was born and brought up in Kolkata itself. And by profession, I am an Arabic teacher in a madrasa. So that's all about me.
Okay, you are
And
Arabic teacher. You teach Arabic language.
yes, I teach Arabic language, how to recite Quran or
Okay,
to uh, offer prayer.
okay.
So what about you?
Actually,
Can
I am a graphic designer. I am a graphic designer. I work in company as a graphic designer, brother. Nowadays, I'm working there.
yeah, which type design do you work?
I make all type of design related to advertisement, like poster, flex, pamphlet, logo design, product cover design. You know.
Actually, uh, earlier earlier I was trying to um, learn about design. So
Okay.
I was attend lots of institute. I think online institute. So
Okay.
I used to do a T-shirt design. But
Okay.
nowadays, yes, I leave from this place and I started learning English language.
Yeah, it's very nice. So, which software did you use to do? Which software did you use to make design? Which software?
Most of the time I would use Adobe Illustrator. Finishing time when you want to represent. So that time I had to use Photoshop. So
Yeah,
Mocha, I think Mocha.
yeah.
In the
Okay,
Mocha,
but basically I use Corel Draw. In order to make design, all type of design, I use Corel Draw software. It's a best software. It's easy to make design. That's why mostly graphic designer like use Corel Draw. But if you go to like metro city like Pune, Mumbai, and other country like Gulf country, Dubai, Saudi, then I think so. Designer use Adobe Illustrator. you know but in India, you can say in India, Bangladesh, Pakistani, mostly designer use Coral Draw to make design. Yeah, but if you go to like Arab country, like Arab, like a Gulf country, then you have to make design. You have to make design on like Coral Draw, not Coral Draw, like Adobe Illustrator on Photoshop.
so okay, now tell me how much salary you how much salary does your company give you?
Actually, brother, you know very well if you work in like Ranchi, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, in like three state, if you work in this city, you will get only under like 20,000. So it's up to you. If you have experience 2 years, 3 years, then you will get under 20,000. But if you don't have any experience, you are fresher, you are like a new, then I think so you will get like under 10,000, 12,000. It's enough in Ranchi, Jharkhand, or like Bihar, Patna, Uttar Pradesh. But if you do same work, if you do same work in like other state like Pune, Maharashtra, Mumbai, then you will get under 30,000, 35,000. So it's a depend on like place, it's a depend on place where you work. Yeah.
So
And if you work
but
like a Gulf country, if you work like
yeah,
a Gulf country, like Dubai, Saudi, then you will get 80,000, 90,000, 1 lakh rupees per month. You know, so it's a depend on place.
yes, when they give the 80,000 salary, when you are totally up to work, when you are when you learn about design, that's time they give 80,000 salary, or basically they give
No, like as a fresher, if you as a fresher you go to like Saudi Arabia, then you will get like under 15,000, 15 and 60,000. But if you have experience like 2 years, 3 years, you know very well how to make design, all type of like product cover design, any type of design, then you will get 80,000 or 1 lakh rupees. So you must have experience minimum 2 and 3 years if you go to Saudi Arabia or any other country. Without experience, if you go to other country, then you will get under 40,000, 50,000. You know but it's a better, it's like a better to go to other country if you have any degree, if you have experience 2 years, 3 years, then you can go there. Without experience, I think so it would be not better for you. you know So first, you take experience. After taking experience, you can go like Gulf country, Dubai, Saudi. Yeah. So it would be better. So why did you leave? Why did you leave? Like you were learning graphic design. So why did you leave?
Actually, I thought that nowadays it's time to AI. So artificial intelligence, you must have know. Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
so so I thought the new the new person, they couldn't find anything from this place. That's why I leave and I started learning English.
Okay. So there is my. What is the main purpose? What is the main reason behind this that you are learning English language? What is the main reason?
Yeah, the main reason is I can say it's nothing but it's my hobbies. It's my hobby.
Okay.
So I teach Arabic language and I am also in a imam in a masjid. So on the
Okay.
other hand, I want to do something better. Not better. I want to do something like other thing. That's why in my leisure time, every time I after teaching, I sit, so I have no purpose. So that's why I thought if I why not I should learn English. So if I learn, so then it would be lots of opportunity to get. So
Yeah.
that's why I'm learning.
No, you are speaking good. So your all education happened in madrasa or school? Your all education happened in madrasa or school? Where did you
Yeah.
study?
Go. I didn't go any school. So
Okay.
in the in the younger time, from the younger time, I learned in madrasa. So
Okay.
in my opinion, when I was very little, very young, so I was just 7 year old. That time, from that time, uh, I am I am in madrasa. So
Okay.
whatever I learned, I am Hafiz and I am Alim also. So whatever I learned, I just learned from the madrasa. I
Okay.
didn't go
So
any for
in madrasa English is taught. In madrasa English is taught or not?
no. Earlier, the madrasa organizer, they didn't they didn't teach their student to learn English. They didn't allow also, even they didn't allow also. But
Okay.
nowadays they also they started teaching English because English is very important. So most of the country they also use uh, English. So without knowing English, you cannot survive. Whenever you want to, if you want to go abroad, if you want to, whenever you want to go. So English is important nowadays.
So you also should teach English in your madrasa. Do you teach English language or not?
I don't teach English. I teach only how to recite Quran and
Okay.
masala. I think I masala Arabic stories and Arabic grammar and Arabic history that time.
Yeah, but also you should include like English language, because you know very well English is very important. Today, era English is important. So you should teach.
There are particular teachers to teach English language, geography, science, other. So every general subject, there are particular teachers in madrasa.
Okay. So how did you learn English language? Because you didn't learn before English language. So how did you learn? How did you improve?
Yes, I earlier I never ever attend any institute earlier, but nowadays I have been taking a class. I have been taking a English institute. I have been taking class. I can say so, but earlier I didn't attend any institute.
Okay. So do you have any plan because you are learning English language? You are imam or like you are imam in masjid. So do you have any plan in future that you want to do something in your life and you want to teach English language in madrasa? Do you have any plan
Yeah,
like
I
this?
have lots of plan, I can say. Uh, After knowing these language, when I will be able to speak fluently, that time, if I able, so I my plan is like I will be a lecturer. I will be
You
lecturer,
want to be a
and
lecturer?
yeah, and I will be teacher also. So I have lots of hobbies. I can say I have lots of plan. So if I learned, if I had learned, if I hadn't learned, so I wouldn't be able that much opportunity. So I have to learn, if any
Okay.
cost. If any cost, I
Okay.
have to learn. It's my compulsion. It's my compulsion. I can say it's my compulsion to learn English.
Okay. So nowadays you are taking online class or offline class?
I am taking online class.
Online class. So how much money do you pay for online class? How much money?
Uh, I have to pay 1,000 per a month.
Okay, you have to pay 1,000 per month. And who is your teacher? Who is your English teacher? May I know his name?
Yes, yes, yes. So, do you know English with Dehati, madam?
Okay, I know English with Dehati ma'am. I know very well. Yeah. She is a
Yes,
good speaker. She speak very well. Yeah.
she takes class. She
Okay, so
gives
at what time? At what time do you take online class? In the morning time or evening time?
that time. So today is Sunday. That's why
Okay.
I'm not taking class. So tomorrow I will be I will be in the class at that time.
Okay. So since when? How long have you been taking class from Dehati ma'am? Since when have you
And
been taking?
it's been it's been 3 months, about to complete 3 months. It's about
Okay,
to
you have
complete.
completed 3 months.
Yes, not completed, but it's about to complete.
Okay.
I think if I consistency, if I consequently consistency practice that much time, so it will be helpful for me, and one day I will be also fluent, inshallah.
Definitely, brother. Inshallah, you will be a good speaker one day. So, but you have to practice every day. So, how many hours do you practice every day? What's your daily routine? How many hours?
Yeah, yeah. If I My daily routine is uh, different things, but if you want to learn from me, so how do you practice? So I can say, uh, after the fajr prayer, I just practice 1 hour, and after taking class in the afternoon time, I take class from Dehati madam, and after completing Maghrib to Isha prayer, between time, I practice. So I can say I practice only 3 hour, around 3 hour in a day, without my weekend. So in a week, only 5 days I practice around 3 hours.
Okay. So it's enough. It's enough. If you practice 3 hours every day, so it's enough to improve your English language. You know, I'm a graphic designer. I don't get more time because I have to work 8 to 9 hours every day. So I don't get more time to practice. Only
You
Sunday
you
you can say only Sunday I practice all day.
Yes, you already asked lots of questions from me, and I also did answer. So now it's my turn to ask you
You can ask
question.
me. You can ask me everything, whatever you want.
First of all, you have to talk me, um, for how long have you been learning these languages?
Actually, I have been learning English for 1 year, 1.5 year. Yeah.
So my second question is, uh, what is your qualification?
My qualification is, brother, I have completed my graduation in political science. As well as you can say, I have also completed my graphic design course. It was 6 month course. I did complete in 2016.
Yeah, where did you complete your graphic design?
Sorry,
From
what did you say?
yeah, from which institute did you learn
Actually,
the graphic
yeah,
design?
I learned graphic design course from Arena Animation. Have you heard about Arena Animation? It's a famous
I
multimedia
didn't.
center. Arena
Okay,
Animation. Yeah.